Okay, here I have a coin that I've already modeled in Blender. The first thing to do before exporting to Unreal Engine is to check that the coin has a UV map. So let's go to the UV editing tab, press tab to enter edit mode, and then press A to select all. Now go to the UV menu, Smart UV Project, and this will create an automatic UV map. This next step is not really necessary, but will prevent artifacts when baking the lights in Unreal Engine. Let's add a new UV map. Change the name to Light Map. Press tab to enter edit mode. Go to the UV menu, Smart UV Project, increase the margin to 0.07 and OK. And our light map is ready. Press tab to exit edit mode. OK, select the coin, go to File, Export, FBX. OK, check selected objects, Mesh, X forward, Z up, apply transform, and in geometry select face. Export. Okay, so let's go now to Unreal Engine. Games, blank, and rename it. In my case, UE5 Tutorials. Create. Let's create a new level. If you cannot see the content browser, just press Ctrl and spacebar. Now let's create a new folder. Right-click, new folder, and rename to Meshes. Open it, right-click, import. Choose your mesh. Here all the settings are left as default. Do not create material, and import. Now just drag the mesh into the viewport, and it's done.